So this is a second session of the previous one we did. It's just a continuation. Unfortunately, the recording was stopped, so please bear with me. Please, do you have any question at this point? There are some hands up. David, Saki, do you have a question? You can unmute, then you talk. Do you have a question? If you don't have a question, please lower your hands. Okay. Yes, you can ask your question. I'm listening. Unmute your mic, please. Okay, we can't hear him. Please unmute your mic when you want to talk. So let's continue then. When we are done, we'll do questions and answers. I hope that would be okay. Good. So the next spread, we've talked about spread, we've talked about pips and pippets. Now the next item is a lot size. This is where you most of the time will find yourself changing the lot size. The lot size is the unit of currency you have to buy. Remember the other time, the previous session, I told you about how individuals were not able to trade on the forex market, right? You need a leverage from your broker to be able to trade. So if you wage on your MT4, you have most brokers don't have nano lots. If you trade in nano lots, you'll be getting your profit. You'll be getting will be in smaller units. It will be in like this is dime. This is a dime. This is not even a cent in the US dollar. This is not a cent. You get a dime. Then so this is the smallest lot size you can wage, 0.001. I hope you get me. Then the next lot size, so with every pip movement, the money you make or lose is $0.01. You get me? Then when you come to a micro lot, this is the lot size. This is the lot size. And this is the amount of money you need to be able to use this lot size. I hope you get me. You need this amount of money so that they will allow you to use this lot size. With this 0.01 lot, every single amount of pip that moves, you get this amount of dollars. You get $0.1. Is it okay? Then we have the mini lot. So this is 0.1 lot size. You need about $10,000 to be able to use this lot size in your account. And every pip movement you get $1, exactly $1. So if you use one lot size to buy, let's say GBP USD, and it moves let's say 6 pips, how much are you getting? You'll be getting $6. You get $6. I hope it's clear. In the same way, this is a standard lot. When we start trading, I don't know if you have a demo account, you can try bigger lot sizes. This is one lot. So every one lot you use, if it goes against you by a pip, you are losing $10. Or if it goes in your favor for 1 pip, you are gaining $10. So that's the advantage and disadvantages of lot sizes. So let's say you are in the market and you buy GBP USD at let's say 1.2181. This is where you buy it. Then it moves to 1.2 1.2200. How many pips are you losing? You have to subtract the bigger the smaller one from the bigger one. If you subtract this from this, you are going to get 9, right? Then this, you have to borrow those things, you have to borrow, and this you get 1. And this you had already borrowed from here to here, so it's 19 pips that you get. With this 19 pips, if you multiply by 10 lot size, how much are you making? You are making this times 10, you just add 0 to this. So you are either making a profit of $190 or you are losing $190 based on what you predicted and what played out. I hope you are clear. This will be a simple explanation to the lot size use. Don't worry, when we start using the interface, we'll try all of this out in the interface. Then leverage. Remember, I'm talking about the unit here. You need this amount of money to be able to place this lot size. However, when you go to the brokers, they give you extra money to trade. So you deposit, the real money you deposit is, let's say, $100. Then in your broker platform, you choose your leverage. You choose 1-to-1. It means let my $100 be the same money I'll use to trade. Don't add any money to it. Don't add any extra money to it. You can also choose a leverage of 10:1. That means I'm depositing $100, but please multiply the amount of money I've deposited by 10 so that I can use a bigger lot size, or I can have more buying powers or selling powers. The same way, the bigger the leverage, the wider or the bigger lot size you can use, or the bigger it will allow you to take bigger trades. But note, leverage is a two-edged sword. It can be a disadvantage and it can be an advantage. It will be an advantage for you when you are winning, because you can use small money to get so much money, because you can wage a big lot size. Let's say, because I have look at this, I deposit $100, then I use a leverage of 1:100, so I have this buying power. So just with $100, I will be able to place one lot size. Remember, just the small money I have, it means I have $100,000 and I can use one lot size. When you use this one lot size, if you are winning, every 1 pip you win, you get $10 profit in addition to your small money you deposited, $100. And if it moves, let's say it moves like 5 pips, you are getting $50 in addition to your $100. However, if it goes against you and you lose just 5 pips, you are losing half of your money, just like that. So if you want to be on a safer side, you choose a lower lot and a lower leverage, so that you can use a lower lot size. The trading platform will not allow you to use a bigger lot size or a certain amount of lot size if your leverage is small. I hope you understand me. That's the protection you have. In Africa, I think we have leverage of 1:2. The highest or the maximum leverage you can have is 1:2,000. So you have this as your leverage. So just imagine, this is just 1:100. If you multiply this by 1,000 or 2,000, you are going to have 2 million worth of $2 million as your trading advantage. Note, it's not your real money, but the broker assumes that you have that money in your account, so they will allow you to buy big things. That's what it simply means. Xness allow you to use this kind of leverage, 1:2,000. It as I said, it can be advantage and it can be a disadvantage when you are losing. You lose very fast. So at this stage, I think the presentation is far. We've done so much, and I want to show you how to link your interface to your trading platform. So I don't know if I can share my screen here. Please, if you have any question, you can ask. So far, let me stop sharing. Are you okay? I want to share my screen here. Good. Good. Please, can you see the new screen I've shared? The phone interface. Give me a thumbs up if you can see. Good, good. Okay, okay. So I'll go to the MT5. I asked you to download this app, MT5. Please, do you see the chart? So we have the quote I talked about. It's quite slow, but let's manage it. Yes, so you have the quotes on this app. Then this is the price. You have the spread and all those things. So let me go to please. I'm going to the Xness app. Then I'll try to link my trading account. I'll create a demo account. Then I'll link it to the MT5 so that you all see. Please, do you see this? So I'll choose this is I'm opening my Xness. It's quite slow, so let's take our time. Let me do my settings. Okay. Please, can you see my screen now? Yeah, give me a like if you can see my screen. Good, good. So John, I can see. That's good. So most of you, when you create your account, this is what you would see. Let's go to create new account. So create new account. We are going to create a demo account. So we take demo account. So it gives us a new demo account, MT5 account. So we choose standard spread, no commission. So here we the leverage I talked about, you see the leverage here, it says 1:1000. So these are the leverages it's here. We have low leverage. I hope you see this. Then we have medium leverage. Then we have high leverage. The low leverage will protect your account. Then the high leverages would expose your account to high risk. So for the purpose of this, let's use 1:1000 as our leverage. Please, if you can follow, you can also do the same. Now read this. It says 1:1000 may affect required margin. It means your money you deposit will be affected. You stand a high risk of losing it. You have choose a leverage with a high risk level. I hope you all see this. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes, you continue. Then you can change the currency you want to use to. Then this is, you can create a name for your account. So let's say Senyo. So I'll use my name as the account. Then I'll go for continue. So I'll create this account. They give me some code so that I can link it to my trading account. So I'll create a password. I'll do 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, let's do 1A then S. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 AS. Let me bring a lowercase so that you have. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 AS. That's the password. When I go to MT5, I'll use this password. So okay. Says your password special character, so let's use dot. So your password should have this feature. So if I don't want to have any problem, so I'll copy this. So I'll create the account. So this that I'm doing is on the broker platform. I hope you understand me. Yesterday I said this. Most of the money matters you do in your broker account. Then you go and trade with your MT5 or MT4. Good. Now I've created the account. Senyo. Demo. Please look under the Senyo. Demo. This is what shows that this is not real money. So it's not real money. I can deposit any amount I want. Because it's from 0 to is it 10 billion. 10 billion. You can do anything. This is fake money. But for the purposes of what we are doing and the money I can deposit when I get money, I'll go for $500. So let's use $500 as our starting account. So I've created the account. Your deposit is required. Okay. So you see it has come here. I've created money for myself. That's just simple as that. Now I need the details to log into my trading MT5 or MT4. So this is the details, equity and everything. Now let me go to, I'll need this account. So login details to MT5. Hold on. So details. So account number. this is the login details and what you need to log into your account. Down here we have login server, then we already have our password. We've created our password, remember? So I'll copy this login, then I'll search for MT5 trials or XNES MT5 trials. When I go to MT5, we are done with the broker platform. We have to go to the MT5 platform to link what you've created to the MT5. So we come to MT5, you go to the top, it says manage account, so you tap on manage account, then you come to add. You have a plus sign at the top. I hope you see that. So you use that plus sign, then it will open. What broker did we get there? We have so find broker, you search X, you have XNES, right? So if you are not sure, you can go back and confirm. XNES MT5 trial. So no, this MT5, this is not the XNES you are looking for. So you have to go back. Let me see the exact XNES. So you have XNES Technologies. So this is, look at the server, it's already here for us. So you input our login. So we paste. That's the account name from the login. I hope it's clear. Then the password is the password I created in the broker server. So I'll go to clipboard. I already copied it. That's the second one there. I'll paste. So that's it. Then you go for login. Please, are you following? Yes. So we have MT5 login, no connection. This has to connect. So these are all accounts that I have that I'm trading. Good. Let me go back again. I'll change the broker, then we'll check again. You can also try this at your end, and you have any problem, we'll walk through. So add account and broker. So you have XNES Investment Bank, XNES Limited. So XNES. Then again, I'll paste this. Okay, it's MT4 trial, so we have to go for the trial server. That's the mistake with it. MT4 trial, that's just trial. So MT5 trial, this one. So make sure your server is MT5 trial, then log in. Okay, so let's wait a little. Is it connected? So now we have it. The demo is there. It's connected. So we have our $500 here. So we can log in and trade this. So let's come here. This is the chart. So quotes. We have Bitcoin and all those things. Now what do we want to trade? This is where we would search, or we will add Forex currency. So Forex, what do we want to add? Remember, we've talked about some major currency pairs. So let's say GBP, USD. So it's here. The moment you tap this, it will add it to the quote. So it will be down here. Yeah, just to reflect. Yes, so we have GBP USD down here. You can tap on it. The moment you tap on this, you can open the chart or open new order. So let's open the chart before we look at buy and sell and all those things. So chart. Good. So this is the GBP USD chart on the 15 minutes. Let's wait for the chart to load. You can go to trade and you see your money, equity and free margin. So if you take any trade, it will show here. You have your profits and the kind of trades you are taking, all will show here. And your history, your record history will also show. So now we've deposited $500. We have not made any profit. I hope it's okay. So let's see the chart. Okay, the chart has loaded. This is the chart. We can place our buy or sell here. Let me show you this, the difference between lot size. I talked about a smaller lot size. This is 0.01. It means every 1 pip is $0.1. So let's try to buy GBP. You have buy and sell at the top there, the red and blue things that are changing. So okay, let me go to the 15 minutes. I want to buy GBP USD because I am predicting that it will go up. So with this same lot size 0.01, I buy. So accept, then buy. You see that a blue line has been launched, but between the blue line there is a red and a green line. The small gap between that is the spread. That's the spread we talked about. I'm buying, but it did not quote me at the lower line. It quoted me at the top one. That's the bid price. Are you okay? So this will go up. Please, can you see my screen? So let's go to trade, then you see the kind of profit. Look at what we are losing, this amount. It's very small, right? Now with the same number, I want to increase the lot size. This is for learning, so I want to increase the lot size so you understand. let's go to 0.01 lot. 0.1 lot. So I've changed it here. It's quite lagging, so please take your time. You have 0.1. Then I'll place the same buy trade. Good. I changed it up there, so you've seen it. So I'm going to place the trade buy. You see buy, it has taken effect. Now our buy was not quoted. Yes. Okay. Buy again. Done. Okay. This time it was done. Now let's look at the difference. Right away I'm losing $2 here, but look at the 0.01 lot. I'm losing very small. I'm going to increase the lot size so that you also understand. So let's go for one lot. One lot. Buy. That is also done. So the difference between lot size is shown here. Look at the amount the smaller lot size is losing compared to the amount the big lot size is losing. You understand? The bigger your lot size, the bigger your loss or your win. The smaller your lot size, the smaller your loss and wins. So it's the same thing. But let's do something. Because I used 1:1000 leverage, I'll have more buying capacity. Let me try to use 5 lot size as straightforward. So okay, let's go to the multiple 10 lots if it will allow me to place this trade. So I've made it 10 lot. What is it saying down here? Not enough money. You understand? The money I've deposited is not big enough for the broker to allow me to use that lot size. I hope you understand. So the biggest lot size I can use now, let's try 5 lot. Still, it says not enough money. I hope you get it. This is this is lot size and leverage. This is what they do when you are trading. So I can leave this trade to run for as long as my money can hold it. So now I'm losing $14 out of the $500. But I can set perimeters and say, oh, I don't want to lose more than $100 on this trade, or I don't want to lose more than $50 on this trade. So I'll have to place a stop loss. So this is the stop loss for the bigger lot size. Let me see. So stop loss, this one, I'll go here to edit. So I'll copy this one and I can transfer it to all the rest of the trades. So I'll copy and modify. So this is the famous trading sound. Then the next one is this. This is what I modified. So let me put the same stop loss on this. In our next meeting, we are going to talk about stop loss, take profits, and the rest. So I'll put the same thing here. Paste. Good. So that is it. Once again, look at what's happening. With a big lot size, I lose big. With a small lot size, you lose smaller. So that's the concept I want to show you. We didn't do any major analysis, so it doesn't matter. But yet still, I think this will go up a little. Let me go to the 1 minute. So this is 1 minute. Look at the red and green line. That's your spread. Within that is your spread. The price is not the same. I hope you get it. So the gold, the price of the US dollar is, look at the gap, the bid price and the ask price. So I think today's section would end here. Please, do you have any questions? I'll allow this to run and we'll see if we get profit or not. Please, do you have any questions so far? Hello, can you hear me?
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, loud and clear.
Yeah, you can go ahead,
I don't
Ima.
have a question, just that really, I want to say the whole thing is interesting.
Yeah. Oh. So, yes, I think you have to go and practice.
Just the fact that where you were doing the where you were trying to create the accounts and the back and forth and
Yes, I'll be in the group to guide you. So,
this is the start. So
yeah, there's the start. Please, the reason why I want you to do this with a demo account is that feel free to do anything. You are not going to lose any money. Explore the platform, explore the trading platform. If you don't understand anything, please come back to the video. I've recorded it, so I'll post it. You go back to the video and you watch it and you go and do what I did. Then you come and check again. This is for studies. It's not just for just watching it once or anything. You watch it, then you correct your mistakes, you go and do it. If you don't get it, you go back again. I hope it's clear. Okay. Any other? Yep. Are we all okay? Let me share this trade in the group. Just post it here. So that is that. So all those screenshots I take, that's how I do it. It's not anything. It's just from the MT5 platform. Good. I really want us to see some profit before we go. Please, is there any other person? You can all unmute and talk. Our meeting is almost over, so. If you have any challenge, please drop it in the group. We will all discuss it, and then we would have it's a community for us to learn and from each other and all those things. So if there are no questions, I think we will call it a day, and we will meet next week, Tuesday. No, Wednesday rather. So.
yeah, sir. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello, I can hear you.
Yeah. Yeah. Hello. Is it okay now?
Yes, it's okay.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you, please.
Yes, it seems you can't write in the group.
Oh, I've opened it.
Yeah.
I opened it lately.
Okay.
Yes. So after this, if you have any question, you can post. Initially, when I had not introduced and we had not started, people were asking all sort of questions. So once we have started, you can do that, and you will have a nice chat in the group as well. If you have any challenge, drop it in the group, and I'll assist you. Okay. Have a
Thank
nice
you
day,
very
sir.
much.
Okay, sir. All right. Bye bye.